Lenape Hall, which opened in August 2004, is a 238-bed residence hall located across from Esopus Hall in the South Complex. Lenape Hall is air-conditioned and constructed with two types of rooms. One type is a suite design with bedrooms located off a common living area with large bathrooms. The other is a double/triple with private bathroom as seen here. In addition, Lenape Hall has many lounges, a common kitchen, a meeting room/computer lab, fully equipped exercise room, and bicycle storage. It is beautifully landscaped on a quiet site adjacent to the campus athletic fields. The Honors Living Learning community is open to all incoming first-year honors students. Students will live together in a wing of Lenape Hall and take the Individual in Society, a first-year seminar. No special application process is required. Reach out to Alicia Ivan to sign up.
I love living in Lenape. We have our own bathroom, we have air conditioning, the beds are amazing, we have our own giant space. It's just amazing living here and the people are incredible.
I really like it. I was kind of nervous coming into dorm at college because it's so new, but everybody here is so much friendlier than I expected, and yeah, the rooms are so spacious, and the bathroom, it just feels like there's a lot of room to breathe, and this room can be a place where I can come back after class and actually relax and feel comfortable, and I don't have to feel stressed anymore when I'm in here, so I really enjoy it.
So from my experience, I really like all of the RAs. They've been really great, and most of my friends I've actually met through my hall and through this living learning community, and it's been really great to make those connections and to meet everybody. So it's definitely been a really strong connection, so I love it.
It was scary at first, but it worked out really well. I love my roommate so much. We have so much in common, and we really celebrate everything that we have not in common, which I think is really cool.
So why live in Lenape? Why join the honors program?
First of all, do it. Living in Lenape is incredible. I wouldn't want anything different. I think that it all, everything just came together perfectly, but also relax.
The honors program is not scary, and the benefits outweigh any fear that you would have. I mean, I think that I was excited to have a little bit of academic rigor, but also it's not as hard as I expected to be, and all of the friendships and all of the joy of living in Lenape is definitely worth it.